These are the high tension electrical lines. Though the birds are able to really enjoy sitting on these lines, it's as dangerous as it gets. High tension lines have there is an arc of current around these high tension wires, and the birds are able to avoid them by not letting the current pass through them. Even the arc hasn't disturbed the bird, but just a few inches from the other wire, it can get really bad if the bird unfortunately touches. The birds have a clear view of the ground from these wires, but these lucky moments can really get wrong if the bird a total of 30 birds in a stretch of 10 meters